I'd like to open up the open workshop. It is now October 27th because of the governor's executive order. I'm sorry, not executive order. Declaration of emergency. We moved the meeting to the 27th. So. Approval of minutes. They are going to be moved by Vice President Munoz, seconded by Trustee Sclafani. Then we'll move to our curriculum instruction. A8 is being tabled. There was a duplicate there that I didn't pick up. And that's about it. Everything else you've seen. I just point out A30 is approval of the governor's executive order 253. And that was moved by Trustee Sclafani and seconded by Trustee Gotsky-Rodriguez. I will take a roll call. When I get to B. Yeah, as soon as I get to B. So on our roll call, Trustee Burke is absent. Trustee Cassius is here. Trustee Egan is absent. Trustee Gotsky-Rodriguez is here. Trustee Sclafani is here. Trustee Watson is here. Trustee Wilbeck is absent. Vice President Munoz is here, and President Villada is here. Okay, so then I will go to resolutions. Finance, B1 to B12. Resolution B11. The donation of the holiday tree is getting moved to non-consent. And B12, do we have to, or is that an executive session item? Okay, so we're going to hold on B12, but unless there's any other questions, Finance Committee did go over all the resolutions. Then I will move to personnel. Ms. Lopez, our harassment, intimidation, bullying report.
Thank you, John. In accordance with Bayonne Board of Education Policy 5512, during this reporting period, incidents of harassment, intimidation, and bullying have been reported and investigated at the following schools. One incident at Nicholas Oresco and one incident at William Shemin Midtown School have been investigated and confirmed. Strategies and resources have been provided to the victim to assist in the recovery process. Consequences and remedial measures were given to the offender. All documentation is being retained by the anti-bullying coordinator. One incident at Robinson, 2 incidents at Mary J. W., 1 incident at Lincoln, 4 incidents at William Shemin Midtown, 1 incident at Washington, 2 incidents at Woodrow Wilson, 2 incidents at Bailey, 2 incidents at Oresco, and 3 incidents at Bayonne High School. In all of these cases, there was no confirmed evidence of the investigated acts of HID. Strategies, resources, and remedial measures were implemented. All documentation is being retained by the school anti-bullying coordinators. Thank you, Dr. Mayor.
Okay. I just handed out to you Resolution C4. It's our 21-22 school nursing plan. We do the plan every year. We just basically updated it. If anyone has any particular questions, but there really isn't many changes from last year. I'll make a note, Resolution C20 is being moved to non-consent. It's just a conflict with one of the trustees. Okay, other than that, that is the personnel. That concludes all the resolutions. I'd like to point out, Policy Committee received these 3 policy changes. Everyone else received it today. I'll cut to the chase. The first safety plan is a new policy, and it is mandated. Then the emergency virtual remote instruction is a new policy, and that is mandated. And then the final 5751 is a revised policy that's mandated. Okay, so if anyone has any questions, we will have these on the agenda for next month's November's meeting. Madam President, that is all I have. I know we have to do an executive session, but unless there's any other open business. Superintendent, you have anything?
Yeah, we can go to.
No, so I think we'll adjourn the open workshop. It is 6:13. Our guests can make their way